Hello, today we're going to have a look at dividing a two-digit number by a one-digit number when you've got something called remainders. So I'll have a go look with you at what a remainder is and then how we work these calculations out. So year 4 you'll be doing this on Thursday and year 3 you'll be doing this on Friday. So I'm just going to turn the laptop and we're going to have a look at how you do this. So today I'm going to be using counters like this. I've colour coded them same, so hundreds, tens, ones. So red are ones, yellow are hundreds, yellow are tens rather, and green are hundreds. Now to start with, we're just going to ignore that I've got that there and look at what remainders are. So if, for example, I had 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If I had 7 circles and I wanted to share these, let's pretend these are sweets, and I wanted to share these between 2 people. So I want to share these sweets between 2 people. What I would have to do is 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, and I've got 1 left. Now this is already in ones, so I can't change this for any tens or anything like that. It's just there. Now some of you might be saying that I could split it in half and split it that way and have half a sweet each. But that's not what we're doing at the moment. So what I would say is that I had 7 divided by 2, so 7 split into 2 groups, equals 3 remainder, with an R we write this, remainder 1. Remainder means what's left over, and there is 1 left over. Okay? And that's what a remainder is. So what we're going to look at now is how that works with a 2-digit by 1-digit number. You will have looked at remainders in previous year groups, but that was a long time ago now, so it's always worth going over that again. And again, I've got an example on the slides for you as well. So what we're going to look at today is 42 divided by 3. And the first thing I'm going to do is draw this as an array. So again, so I'm going to do this. And multiplication sign, tens and ones. So if you remember, I need to split my array into tens and ones. There's my tens side and my one side. With 42, I have 4 tens, which is 40, and 2 ones, 42, and the 3 goes over here. And that means I need to split this now into 3 groups. So I have got 1, 2, 3. There we go. And I'm then going to draw a part-whole model. So I've got the large circle and 2 more circles underneath, which might be the same size, and then join them with these lines. In this one, I'm going to write the whole calculation, 42 divided by 3. Some of those numbers have gone a bit squiffy. And this circle over here is going to be my tens circle, so 40 divided by 3. And on this side I'm going to have my ones, so this side here is going to be my 1 circle, ones, 2 divided by 3 equals. And then I'm going to make my 40, so I need 4 tens altogether. I'm just going to put it here to the side of my array. 2, 3, 4 tens and 2 ones. So 4 tens, 2 ones. And as we were doing before, we do the tens first. So I've got 1, 2, 3, and I've got 1 10 left over. Now this, I'm not going to call this a remainder because I can change this for 10 ones. Exchange it for 10 ones. I'm going to take this 10 and change it for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, there's another red, 9, 10. So I've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and the 2 I had initially. So I've got 12 ones all together now. Now to show that on this over here, 40 divided by 3 is 10 in each group. With a remainder, I had 10 left over that I'm going to write here. That 10, okay, I changed for 10 ones, and I've now got 10 ones, add the 2 more, is 12 ones altogether. So I'm going to make that a 12 here. And I've now got 12 divided by 3. So let's look at that into the ones column. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and that fits perfectly. So as a recap of yesterday, this one does not have remainders because it works like this. Look, so I've got, it fits perfectly. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 10. So with my ones, I end up with 12 divided by 3 is 4. And overall, 42 divided by 3 is this all together, which is 14. Okay, so that's a recap of the exchanging. Now, we're now going to look at an example of, just move these out the way. Example, I think we will do 44 divided by 3. So 44 divided by 3. So this here, 44 divided by 3. And over here, I just need to rub these answers out and that bit. And I've got 44 divided by 3. So I've still got 4 tens and 4 ones. 40 divided by 3. So what I need to do is, just like last time, make 43 to one side of both diagrams. Got 4 tens and 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. And I split the tens up first. So 1, 2, 3, 1 left over. Remember, tens, we don't do remainders with the tens, so I'm going to exchange that for 10 ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 ones. And the 4 before make 14. So showing that on here. 40 divided by 3 is 10 in each group, and I had 1 10 left over, which I changed for 10 ones, so that needs to go to the ones box, and I've now got 14 altogether. So 14 divided by 3. Now I'm going to split my ones up. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and well, I've got these 2 left over, and I could do that, but that's not then fair there, is it? And they're ones, so I can't change them for anything else. So these are remainders. So my 14 divided by 3 gave me 4 in each group, remainder 2. Okay, so altogether 44 divided by 3 is 14, 10 and 4, remainder 2. Okay, so that's how we do the remainders. So have a go. Remember to exchange if you need to, and you can always email me if you get stuck.